Hello, in this video I'm going to talk about how to capture good audio on your GoPro Hero 7 using an audio recorder like the Zoom H1. And the Zoom H1 has a very specific feature that allows audio to be captured and synced quite easily with GoPros and other cameras. Let's have a look. So if I hold down the stop button or the options button and I toggle this switch here, I can turn sound mark on and off. Now when sound mark is on, when I start recording, it gives out an audio tone, which is really useful for syncing. So you'll need a pair of headphones. And the headphones go in the line out section, like so. And the headphones are required to get the tone into the GoPro. So let's have a look at that. So I'm just going to turn my GoPro on. So I'm going to start recording on my GoPro. And I'm going to put one of the headphones really close to it, like so, and I'm going to start recording. Now that should have emitted a tone. You might not have been able to hear it, but you'll be able to hear it on the GoPro. So I'm going to put my microphone really close to the headphone, because when you stop the audio recording of the Zoom H1n, it also generates the tone as well. So all we have to do now is sync up the audio spike we're going to get from the tone in the GoPro with the audio spike we're going to get in the Zoom H1n. And we can then quite easily sync the footage from the GoPro to that of the external recorder. So now we're going to go outside and do a little test to see if this is a useful solution. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Not saying anything. And without the external audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.